video we're going to be checking out the muscular and the ligament attachments of this bone. Okay, so this is how you hold the bone in the anatomical position. If you haven't checked it out, check it out in the previous videos. Okay, so on the anterior surface of the clavicle to the medial side, we have the attachment of the bone, that is the pectoralis major muscle. The red ones that I mentioned here, that I've written with red one, are the muscle origins. Okay, are the originating muscles from this bone. So on the medial side anterior, we have the pectoralis major, and towards the lateral we have the deltoid. Okay, so the anterior we have the pectoralis major and the deltoid. On the posterior side, medial, we have this bone attachment, muscle attachment called the sternohyoid muscle. Okay, and on the lateral side we have this trapezius. Okay, the origin of the trapezius muscle. Blue one is the origin. Okay, so on the posterior lateral we have the trapezius, and on the posterior medial we have the sternohyoid. Okay, talking about the superior, we have only one muscle attachment, that is the the sternocleidomastoid muscle. Okay, this is the sternocleidomastoid muscle. It attaches here on the superior aspect of the scapula, and on the lower we have the subclavius muscle originating of the subclavius muscle on the subclavian groove of the scapula, that is present in the inferior aspect of the clavicle. Okay, so these are the muscle attachment. Talking about the ligament attachments, we have one impression of the ligament attachment. So this is the impression of the costoclavicular ligament. Okay, the costoclavicular ligament. Here we have again the fibrous capsular ligaments on these sides, and we have an acromioclavicular ligament, and as well as the coracoclavicular ligament. So this is about the muscles and the attachments of the ligaments. In the next video we will start with the scapula, so follow for more. Thank you.